the ANCBT501 headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the ANCBT501 by Strauss Wagner. They are over-the-ear headphones and feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and a USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable. You also get a storage case. The headphones features 40 hours of listening time. 5 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 40mm drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging, has active noise cancellation, and an environment mode. The headphones are light and have a plastic feel to them. Ear cups do swivel out, but they don't fold in, and you have the ear markings inside the ear cups. The padding is nice and soft and you get an adequate amount. The headband is also lined with padding, and on the top you have the branding. Taking a look at the outside of the band, you have the logo on the lower part. Each adjustment level clicks into place, and there's a good amount of travel. Overall, the headphones are flexible, and they should have no issues accommodating a wide range of head sizes. The outer face of the ear cups have a brush pattern to them. And on the left side, you'll find the following controls: the ANC button, noise reduction mic, ANC and quick charge LED. On the right side, you'll find the playback and call controls, noise reduction mic, phone mic, system LED, USB-C charge port, and on and off button. The headphones weigh in at 285 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SW-ANC headphones microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The overall microphone quality was a bit low for my liking. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the ANCBT501 headphones. They were very comfortable and it covered my ears with no issues. Very soft and it doesn't feel tight at all, and it's lightweight. Build and quality is in line with many of the headphones in this price range. They feel durable, but nothing really stands out as far as overall design. Button controls are responsive and easy to navigate once you get used to the placement. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 40 hours. The active noise cancellation feature worked as advertised, and when activated, it blocks out a lot of the surrounding noises. It also has an environmental mode, which allows you to pick up the surrounding noises, and that came in loud and clear when turned on. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely came in very pronounced. Tight and punchy and not too overwhelming. I would say it has more of a warm sound signature. Mids and highs have good separation and depth. Vocals come in clear and it's not too bright sounding. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. It did well with various music genres that I tested it with. Overall, I feel that there is good value with these headphones. The sound it produces does not disappoint, and the ANC feature worked with no issues. So that is my review of the Strauss Wagner ANCBT501 headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.